Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west. And today we have a beautiful 2021 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Super Stock. This has the 6.2 liter supercharged HEMI, just like any normal Hellcat, but unlike the normal Hellcat, because it's a super stock, it makes 807 horsepower. Paired with the 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Go Mango exterior, one of the classic MOPAR colors. In my opinion, if you get a MOPAR, you gotta get one of the high impact colors or else you're just doing yourself a disservice. Black bucket seat Houndstooth interior as well. This thing is in absolutely incredible condition. I really like the pattern on the interior seats. Got the Hellcat logo in the back of the seat too. Harman Kardon 18 speaker sound system. Trunk mounted subwoofer, all the Hellcat goodies like launch control, line lock, active exhaust. It's got the power chiller, so if you go to the track and want to cool off the car in the pits, you can run the power chiller while the car is off, which is kind of cool. Demon got that as well. Factory cold air intake, Brembo brakes, wide body fender flares, satin black spoiler, and the satin black hood with the black hood pin kit from MOPAR. Also very cool. This Go Mango looks amazing on these cars. It's got the 18-inch SRT wheels, not the 20-inch wheels, and these got wider tires than the normal Hellcat as well, especially with the wide body. Let's see, yeah, 315s on the back, 40R18s, and on the front, 315s on the front as well. So square setup. Nitto tires, and you're going to need all that grip to put 807 great American horsepowers down onto the ground. This also has competition suspension and adaptive dampening because it's a super stock. So kind of more of a track package, better handling than the normal Hellcat and the Demon. Those are more straight line cars. This isn't not a straight line car. I mean, 800 horsepower. It's still plenty fast, but this thing tracks a little bit better. It's got all the SRT performance pages on the infotainment screen in the middle, Uconnect, navigation, typical new car stuff. And my favorite thing, one of my favorite things about these Hellcats is the intake inside the headlight and the Hellcat logo inside of it too. You take these hood pins out and I'll pop the hood, be very careful. We also do have the factory yellow bumper guard for the bottom. In case the new owner wants to put that back on and protect the bumper, we still have it. Pop the hood real quick. And there's your beautiful HEMI. There's your factory cold air intake right here. Big Hellcat supercharger. Runs quiet, runs smooth. Let's see, what's the mileage on this thing? I don't remember. I know it's not a lot. Oh, it's actually less than I thought. 2,157 original miles. Incredible. You have apps over here. SRT mode, track. You can change everything. We do have the red key today, which is nice. You got a valet mode in case you want to give your car over to the valet and you don't want them taking it out and ruining your nice 315 Nitto tires. This one also has heated seats and a heated steering wheel, which is very nice, especially on road trips in the winter. And just listen to that supercharger whine. The best supercharger whine in the game, in my opinion. MOPAR. And it's just a really nice, well-kept, low mileage Go Mango high impact super stock. And I'm really excited to take it for a spin, so I'm gonna go grab Chris and we're gonna drive this thing. Here's a microphone for you.
Oh, microphone. Excellent.
Let me put on my nice seatbelt.
Oh, yes.
That is red. Wow.
It's red.
Got the red seatbelt option. Very nice. Oh, get my door. Oh, it's really quiet in here with all the windows up and everything.
Oh, come on. You know how these are. These are such great cars.
I know, they're very nice.
Look at that. You got that.
Backup camera. Of course, I mean, all the modern creature comforts. We also have a heated steering wheel and heated seats if you want them. It's kind of chilly today. I'm going to put mine on low.
Yeah,
Do you want the wheel?
Yes, I do. I love this.
Turn on the heated wheel. Very nice.
Wow.
Climate controls, media. We also have the apps. So we have the performance pages down here. They take a second to load, I've noticed on these, but
loading. Please
very cool.
By.
I also have my own phone charger over here on my side and a little net for my belongings.
And you have some belongings. Oh, wow. Instantly.
And they fixed the potholes outside of our parking lot.
Thank you, St. Charles Division of Roads and Safety.
So let's see, we have track timers in here. You can track your 60-foot, 330 all the way to the quarter mile.
Nice.
With trap speed. Come on, gauges, oil temp, oil pressure, coolant temp. I'm sure you could change what shows up here. You have a G-force meter, which is just crazy. Let's see, engine. Oh, this tells you how much horsepower you're using and stuff. 807 in the super
You must
stock.
have the red key.
And then this is the, I love this page. It's like a dyno graph that's live. How cool is that?
Listen to it.
You used about, not even 400 horsepower there.
Isn't that nice? Well, I better not be using 800.
You know, at about 10% throttle, this makes more horsepower than my Toyota Camry.
Times
makes
two.
total. Times two.
I mean,
you don't need to use the whole pedal 99% of the time.
Oh, it looks fascinating still.
Oh wow, the heated seat is starting to heat my seat.
Yes.
I like the cloth seats with the Houndstooth too. I like that, the pattern in the cloth there. It's nice.
I like the super stock a lot. This is.
And have you noticed that this thing makes an ungodly amount of power, and we can have a normal, quiet conversation inside of this right now?
This is true. This is all very true.
MOPARs are the best at comfort mixed with power.
Oh my! You can dim the mirror. Oh my gosh!
Yeah, it's got a mirror dimmer.
Everything.
It's got absolutely everything. It's got navigation as well.
There's the world.
Look at that. The Earth showed up for a second.
Sure did.
I think MOPAR is the best at combining comfort with just performance.
And this is so comfortable.
Because this is one of the fastest things on the road right now. And it's dead quiet and it's very comfy. The seats are really wide, big and wide for big and wide people.
Mm-hmm.
You got nice back seats also with the Houndstooth in it and the red seat belts too. Bang & Olufsen sound system, I believe. No, Harman Kardon, sorry, not Bang & Olufsen. Harman Kardon sound system.
Which is a great one.
With the subwoofer in the back. I get those mixed up sometimes.
It happens.
And another thing I really like, physical buttons for things down here.
Love that.
So if you want to turn on your AC or turn the heat up and down, you don't have to go through the stupid screen to get to it. You can just press the buttons. We also have launch control down here, and we have line lock in this one.
Line lock.
And we have an SRT button in case you want to go into SRT mode as well. Not sure how to use the line lock. We're not going to try it anyway. Leave that for the new owner.
We got actual physical gauges for the RPM gauge and speedometer, which I like.
I know, and they're backed in red, and they got the little honeycomb design in them.
Aren't they neat?
Very neat.
This is a really good car. Man, I like this car. It wants to go.
It's cool. We got the SRT dashboard. Oh, there's the power chiller. This was optioned with, so that's the thing that the Demon got, and I think you could option on this car. Mm-hmm. But you go to the pits, turn the car off, but keep running the coolant through it to cool the car down in between drag strip runs.
In a natural way.
There's the line lock. Activate line lock. We're not going to use that. Although you probably need it. I mean, you don't need it to spin the tires on this thing. It's going to spin them just fine. But this does have square setup 315 tires on all four corners.
Oh,
because it's the super stock.
Yes.
It's got the competition suspension and active dampening. Mm-hmm. So it tracks, steers a lot better than the normal Hellcat with the thinner tires and everything.
It does.
More of a track-focused car.
This is a really very comfortable.
Oh my goodness! You can set what RPM you want the launch control to launch at.
Stop it.
We're not going to use that either, but it's just cool.
There's a lot of math in this. I like it.
And there's so much stuff you can do. You got the performance pages that we were showing earlier. I mean, it's just got everything. SRT mode. Oh, and here's the bean test. We're already here. We'll put it in sport mode.
Let's do it.
We'll wait for this guy to turn left. And we'll wait till we're past the bump. There's a big bump in the road, doesn't like it.
That's the next spot they'll fix.
Hopefully.
Now let's catch up to this Jeep, shall we?
I think we'll catch up to the Jeep pretty quick. Oh my goodness.
We're on it.
That was one gear.
We get out of first.
It didn't even shift. No, we're probably in what, second or third now. It's just so much torque though.
You hear it just slowly wind up.
Oh yeah, and I could tell that wasn't full throttle.
Heavens no, I wasn't even a third of the way down.
No, this thing's a monster. Hey, we caught up to the Jeep pretty quick. Oh my goodness.
I felt we were gypped.
Oh my gosh. And it's got big Brembo brakes. So this thing will slow right down when you want it to. I don't know how much this weighs, probably more than 4,000 pounds.
I would imagine.
With all
We can
this.
look that up, but it's such a nice car.
Yeah,
For
with all
what you
these,
get, oof. I mean, this is a supercar by any standard. It's gonna work some stuff off the line.
Supercar that you're not gonna, you know, be uncomfortable in road tripping it.
For an older fella like myself, I am very, very, very comfortable in this car. I can get in and out easily. It is just such a nice car.
And it's
we didn't have traction control.
a beautiful high impact color.
It is. I like Go Mango.
Which I said when I was doing a walk around, you're doing a disservice to yourself if you don't order your MOPAR in a high impact color.
I mean, come on, it's Mopar's thing.
I know.
I think Lamborghini took it from him because Mopar's been doing it since the 60s.
Very nice. I'm ready to do some flybys and hear that supercharger whine mixed with the beautiful sounds of this 807 horsepower Hemi.
Just wants to slap you in the face, doesn't it?
It does.
I'll take your microphone and we'll set it up. Here he goes, folks. Folksy folks. Love the hood pins. So nice. All right, Jake. Ooh, sounds good. There he goes, ladies and gentlemen. There he goes. I sure do like the way Dodge makes that supercharger loud. You gotta put your foot out of it so you can stay, you know, on the ground. Just kidding. It's engineered to go very, very quickly in a straight line, and it does. What a wonderful, wonderful car. What's a wonderful, wonderful color. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Wow, does that make great noises?
More power than you would ever need for the road ever.
Ever.
In only 2,160 miles. So it's basically brand new.
It is basically brand new. Everything looks great in it.
And
it's so pretty.
I had it in comfort stuff over here, and it was maybe like not even half throttle, and it just wants to tear your face off.
The noises.
I know. The supercharger wine's my favorite thing ever. Plus, it's Go Mango. You can't really go wrong with that.
You can't beat Go Mango Super Stack Dodge.
No. You want to take it back?
Let's go.